In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to liquify in Affinity Designer. Liquify is a powerful way to gently reshape parts of an image or artwork without redrawing anything from scratch. It's perfect for nudging proportions, refining silhouettes, or adding a bit of flow to shapes while keeping everything looking natural. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and make sure your workspace is ready. Give the app a moment to load your panels and tools so nothing lags when you switch modes. If you're working on a complex file, it can help to close extra documents to keep things responsive. Next, have your image visible on the canvas and active. You want the artwork you plan to adjust to be in view, centered, and at a comfortable zoom level. A good rule of thumb is to zoom to the area you plan to reshape so you can see edges and textures clearly. If you're using multiple layers, make sure the layer you want to affect is selected and that you're looking directly at the part of the image you want to refine. Now move your cursor over the image area and right-click with your mouse to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad or a device with a different input, use the equivalent secondary click gesture. This context menu is the fastest way to get to key controls without digging through multiple menus, and it helps you stay focused on the area you're editing. From that menu, click Liquify. This takes you into the Liquify environment where the interface centers on precision reshaping. You'll see a brush circle on the canvas and controls designed for subtle, localized adjustments. The idea here is to push and pull pixels or edges in a controlled way, keeping forms believable and maintaining texture integrity. Work with intention. Think about the direction of your edits, how nearby lines or edges will respond, and how small shifts can have a big visual impact. A few practical tips as you explore. Keep movements light and incremental so details don't stretch unnaturally. Use a brush size that's just a bit larger than the feature you're adjusting to avoid hard kinks. Zoom in for accuracy, then zoom out to confirm everything still looks natural at a normal viewing distance. If you're working on production artwork, consider a non-destructive mindset by keeping versions or working on copies so you can compare before and after. And that's all it takes to access Liquify in Affinity Designer. Open the app, make sure your image is in view, right-click directly on it, and choose Liquify. With a thoughtful, gentle touch, you'll get smooth, professional results.